A 9-year-old student in Arlington was sent home from school for sneezing in class. As Nick Giovanni reports, his family is frustrated, but the school says they were just following protocol.
Following a hybrid model, all Bishop Elementary School students are home learning remotely today. But a 9-year-old student was sent home early yesterday. His father says that was after he sneezed.
I sneezed 2 times, then the teacher told me to go to the nurse.
He's got a bit of a stuffy nose and sniffling and sneezing this morning, so I need to speak with you.
This is 9-year-old Lancinette Cada, who now has to either produce a negative COVID-19 test, provide written documentation from a healthcare provider stating he has an alternative illness, or be symptom-free for 10 days before he can go back to Bishop Elementary. Even though his father says Lancinette was okay when he left for school yesterday and had no symptoms when he was picked up.
He want to go to school. He don't want to stay home. He want to go to school. He like going to school.
We reached out to the school's principal for comment. He referred us to this statement from the superintendent of Arlington Public Schools, which reads in part, "This decision was made both out of an abundance of caution and in accordance with district protocols related to COVID-19. This isolated incident is not indicative of any need for wider concern of COVID-19 exposure." Speaking with other parents, some understood the family's frustration, but told us they also understand the school erring on the side of caution.
Yeah, we feel safe, and we think that the teachers pay attention, so we trust them.
I checked in with Lancinette's dad again this morning, who says his son is still feeling fine, but he says they also do plan to follow up with their doctor this afternoon as a precaution. Reporting in Arlington, Nick Giovanni, WBZ News.